guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we are doing part 2 of Christmas Clean and Decorate with me. As you can see here, we're in the dining room and it is a hot mess. As usual, this table always ends up as a catch-all. So we're just going to get all the fall decor down. We're going to do some cleaning real quick and then we're going to put Christmas up. I hope you guys enjoy part 2.
We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, holiday, yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday. Yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm gonna say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what
I originally bought this tablecloth for Thanksgiving because I am hosting my family, just my immediate family this year, like I did last year, and I ended up putting it on the table and I tried to decorate it and I just did not like the way that it looked. You're going to see me play with this table probably about 10 different ways, and I ended up going with something completely different than this tablecloth, and I really like it a lot better. I think it just looks better, and it was simple and to the point and not super Christmassy, but not really fall either. It was kind of in between.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long, we're gonna dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
If you are still watching, I want to thank you so much for sticking around. My next video will be the final and part 3 of the Christmas Clean and Decorate With Me series. I am going to be decorating and cleaning the kitchen, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. That will be out later sometime this week. I hope everyone had a great and safe Thanksgiving. Thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.